Are you spending too much time on some specific apps? Now you want to limit apps or games on your iPhone 8 Plus? If your answer is yes, you're in the right place. Here's the proper process to limit apps or games on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the action. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, then tap App Limit. Now tap App Limit, select your app, the apps that you want to limit screen time. Suppose you want to set a time limit for the Clash of Clans game. Now just tap to select Clash of Clans. After that, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. Now select how many times you want to select. Suppose I'm going to set for 1 minute. Then tap the Add button in the top right corner. And that's it. So guys, this is how you can set limit for apps or games on your iPhone 8 Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.